joke shop. These are my favorite little creatures. Amatentia. Those are actually little ink thingy-madobbies too. Okay, this is what I really want one of these. I'm being serious. How much are they? $40.
Oh wait, no, it's two. They were like very close to me behind me. If I turn around, they
did that to me yesterday. It was not fun. Be careful out there. Tricky ones.
That's the shoulder one, correct?
Yeah.
That's the one in the little bag. See,
Yeah, it comes with a little bow and a hairbrush as well.
And you'll be on my YouTube, is that okay?
Yeah,
okay. See, I need one in my life.
Yeah, they're really cute.
I have a lot of Pygmy posts, but I don't have that one.
I do recommend this one. They also have...
No purple, huh?
Yeah, unfortunately. It has little holes on the bottom so they can breathe. And then up here, you'll see the little hair bow and then the little hairbrush as well.
Oh my gosh.
It's really
cute in my life. And
you
you're
can
gonna
also
buy
get the naming ceremony with these ones as well. If you want that.
Yes, let's do it. Yay. All right, hold that. I'm gonna do it. I'm buying it. I'm so so cute. This one's just looking at me like, why let me have me, please? Okay. I'm so buying. Which one do you want?
Right here.
I don't know what I need.
I like your bag, by the way.
Thank you.
Would you also like a bag for them?
Yes. Yeah. Let's give him the traditional Arnold name.
Arnold. Solid choice.
Arnold Sorbilius.
Okay. Arnold. Arnold
Sorbilius. Traditional.
And then what's your name? Cheryl.
I agree. Yeah.
Is this your, it's not your first name, right?
This will be my 5th adoption.
Attention, attention! All muggles, witches, and wizards. Today here I have Cheryl adopting a pygmy pup that she has decided to name Arnold Sorbilius. Can I please have a round of applause? Awesome. So they're officially named. And then as for what they eat, it is crunchy spiders. The crunchier, the better. Earwax, just be careful if they sleep with you. They sometimes like to sneak their little tongue in your ears. Don't do that. And they also like dust bunnies a lot. So pretty much everything you have at your house should be good. Yeah.
So yeah, so Weasley. And this is the Quidditch shop. It's the fireball. And then all your Quidditch attire. her glory.